Hello and welcome to our demo of the Zellar platform. We'll show you how Zellar can help you meet your sustainability goals, allowing you to future-proof your organization and do the right thing. Once you are signed up, you are brought into your dashboard. This will show you what actions you can do across missions, rituals, and projects. Missions are designed to help you establish your carbon footprint and understand your baseline. Once you've completed your first mission, you can create weekly or monthly checklists to build up best practices which can be shared with the team. You can edit this checklist, search for more ideas suggested by Zellar, or create your own custom checks. These can be adapted with the seasons or as your equipment changes. Zellar have also created projects to support you with those more substantial changes. You can plan which projects you are looking into and also log your completed projects. You can choose from several different options, from energy-efficient technology to fostering a company culture built on sustainability. To keep track of your progress, you have your Zellar score. This is like a credit rating for sustainability and will help you to rate your progress, set targets for improvements, and encourage action. There is also an emissions page which breaks down your emissions by area or scope, as well as giving you an indication of your performance against your baseline and subsequent years. With an increasing pressure for organizations to report on sustainability, Zellar offers customizable documents which can be submitted to regulators, suppliers, or stakeholders who need to see your climate action plan. Your Zellar profile records all your actions and publishes them here, which can be shared with staff, customers, or any other stakeholders so you can be transparent and they can stay in the know. Visit our website to try Zellar now through a 7-day free trial or book onto a live demo to hear more.